Hi everyone, welcome to our channel, and if you like, please subscribe our video and so that we can reach you fast with our new videos. So today our video is about gold. So should we invest? Is this the right time to invest into gold or not? Is the right time for the investment for gold? So guys, there are many factors right now in the market. First of all, gold is at highest right now going on. For in last 10 decades is reached the highest level. So before investing into gold, I want to tell you one story that was happened during 1980-81 when gold was reached at the peak around 875 or $850 per ounce. During that time also, before 1980, if you go 1975, 1976, 1977, till that gold was very low, and suddenly it reached $875 per ounce, and there was some crisis during that time, inflation during the some war happened between Afghanistan and Russia, and some crisis was in Iran, and because of that, petrol, diesel, all prices for these were rocketing at the time. And during the same time, once these are increasing, then people are start thinking for the investments, for safe investments, and gold was at peak, so people start buying gold, silver, platinum during 1980s. Just listen, during 1980s. But they forgot one thing: once something is rising, there will be time for the fall also. So same, it was 1980 to 2001 when the gold was in its bear time period. For the one, no graph up down. It was the bear time period. And gold, once everybody was investing, and then suddenly many policies came from this US and central bank, and then they shake the market. Once people was investing into gold and invested already, then there's a policy came, and it was the biggest crash in the market, and many investors lost their millions, lost their lives. It crashed till $280 or $275 per ounce. Can you imagine, guys, who invested at 875, 800, 850, and then market crashed to 250? What will happen to those investments? What will happen to those investors? So never, ever go after the market trend. So we know 2025, we can call it a year of gold and silver. Around 60 to 65%, first time in the history, gold is increased in 1 year. 2025, 1 year is increased 60 to 65% gold. So guys, what do you think? It will not fall? It will. It will. So, but there's a prediction. Again, we can say no one in the world, anywhere in the world, can predict when market will rise, when market will fall. So it's just about the prediction. But what's the lesson we are getting from 1980 to 2001 time period when market was crashed badly after a big jump in the gold prices? What lesson is there? First, always keep diversify for your investments. Don't put your all money in one investment. Keep your money in real estate, in gold, in other investments like a platinum, other metals, or you can do some other for mutual fund, so that you will, if you are losing money in gold, but you are covering your loss from some other sources. So don't put your money all in all into gold, because market can be crashed anytime. Or maybe it will not be crashed. If not be crashed, then yes, you will gain your profit. You will gain your profit. You will gain. You'll get your returns against your gold investment. But at least it's a safe. So there are many lessons we are getting from this market crisis during 1980 to 2001, and after that, people forgetting about investments into gold and silver. And World Bank anytime can bring new policy, and so we need to be aware about that one. So we need to take a lesson. So don't put all investment into gold only and silver only. So divide your investment 30% to gold, 20% to silver, 30% to real estate, 20 or 10% to your mutual funds, and some 10% for your rainy season in the fixed deposits. So in this way, you can cover your loss if any market is not giving you return, or any market is you're facing a crisis, but other market at least can be maybe booming up, and then you can cover your losses. So that's the lesson. Right now, market is very high, so do investment with wisely. Thank you.